Okay, for those of you that sometimes made a mistake, like me, of losing the legend. So typically we open the properties, we are looking at it, and somehow we say, okay, I don't exactly know how this happens. I think you have to change here to some sort of, so you lose somehow the legends because you change the symbology. Um, and then you don't have the nice symbology anymore. The way to fix it is, of course, you have to make sure that you are back into this, I think it's single band pseudo color. Yeah, but now you have only these colors. You don't have the legend. And then you go here to open. So load the color map from a file. And then you have to load this file. And this file is available to you in QGIS. I've posted it in the modules also now. And there we go. Apply, and the legend is back.